Fang Shilong, born Chin Kongsang April 7, 1954, known professionally as Jackie Chan, is a Hong Kong martial artist, actor, and filmmaker known for his slapstick, acrobatic fighting style, comic timing, and innovative stunts, which he typically performs himself. With a film career spanning more than 60 years, he is regarded as one of the most iconic and influential martial artists in the history of cinema. Films in which he has appeared have grossed over $6 billion worldwide. Starting as one of the 7 little fortunes at the China Drama Academy, where he was trained in acrobatics, martial arts, and acting, Chen entered the Hong Kong film industry as a stuntman before making the transition to acting. His breakthrough came with the action comedy Snake in the Eagle's Shadow 1978. He then starred in similar action comedies such as Drunken Master 1978 and The Young Master 1980. He made his directorial debut with The Fearless Hyena 1979, which was a box office success. Throughout the 1980s, he was part of the Three Dragons along with Sammo Hung and Yuan Bao. The three starred in 6 Hong Kong films together. Project in 1983 saw the official formation of the Jackie Chan stunt team and established Chan's signature style of elaborate, dangerous stunts combined with martial arts and slapstick humor. Style he further developed in a more modern setting with Wheels on Meals 1984 and Police Story 1985. Rumble in the Bronx 1995, which had a successful worldwide theatrical run, brought Chan into the North American mainstream. By the mid-1990s, he was the most popular action movie star in Asia and Europe. Chan gained Hollywood success for portraying Chief Inspector Lee in the American buddy cop action comedy film Rush Hour 1998, a role he reprised in 2 sequels. He went on to work both in American and Chinese films, appearing in the Shanghai film series 2000 to 2003, New Police Story 2004, Rob B. Hood 2006, Little Big Soldier 2010, Shaolin 2011, and The Shadow's Edge 2025, among others. The Forbidden Kingdom 2008 marked his first collaboration with fellow martial arts star Jet Li. He has played martial arts mentor Mr. Han into Karate Kid films. The 2010 remake The Karate Kid and Karate Kid, Legends 2025. For CZ12 2012, he earned a Guinness World Records for most stunts performed by a living actor and most credits in one movie. He played against type in Shinjuku Incident 2009 and The Foreigner 2017. His voice acting work includes all 3 Chinese versions of Mulan, 1998, the first 3 films in the Kung Fu Panda franchise 2008 to 2016, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem 2023. one of the most recognizable and influential film personalities in the world. Chen was described by film scholar Andrew Willis in 2004 as perhaps the most recognized star in the world. He has received fame stars on the Hong Kong Avenue of Stars and the Hollywood Walk of Fame, as well as an honorary Academy Award in 2016. Chan has been referenced in various pop songs, films, television series, and video games. He has an award named after him, the Jackie Chan Action Movie Awards. He is an operatically trained vocalist who has released several pop music albums and performed theme songs for some of the films in which he starred. He is also a philanthropist and was named one of the top 10 most charitable celebrities by Forbes in 2011. In 2016, Forbes ranked him the second highest paid actor in the world. In 2025, Parade estimated his net worth to be $400 million and reported he planned to leave his fortune to charity rather than to his son, J.C. Chan. In 1981, Chen met Taiwanese actress Joan Lin. In December 1982, they married in Los Angeles. Their son, J.C. Chan, was born the day after. Lin retired from acting after their marriage, but made a cameo in CZ1-2, in which she plays Chan's wife. Chan had an extramarital affair with Elaine Ng Yilei, who gave birth to their daughter, Etta Ng Choklam. On the 18th of January 1999, shortly before Etta's birth, Ng publicly revealed Chan as the father, sparking a scandal. Chen held a press conference where he expressed regret over the affair, but stated that he had only committed a fault that many men in the world commit. In 2002, Ng moved from Hong Kong to Shanghai. She and her daughter attracted media attention for their financial struggles, family conflicts, and mental health issues. However, according to her lawyer, Chan refused to provide any assistance. Chan has never met his daughter since her birth. In 2017, when asked about her coming out as lesbian, he replied, "As long as she's happy." Chan speaks Cantonese, Mandarin, English, Korean, Japanese, and Taiwanese. He also knows American Sign Language. Chan is an avid football fan and supports the Hong Kong national football team, the England national football team, and Manchester City. He is a fan of the Italian duo Bud Spencer and Terence Hill, from whom he was inspired for his movies. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.